The Sun is the powerhouse of our solar system, roaring plasma, magnetic storms, and sunspots across a blazing surface. Its light and solar wind shape the space environment of every planet. From this intense beginning, we step inward to the first world on our route, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, small, airless, and heavily cratered, like a world frozen in ancient impacts. With almost no atmosphere, it can't hold heat, so temperatures swing from extreme daytime scorch to deep nighttime cold. Its slow rotation creates a strange rhythm. One solar day lasts longer than its year. Leaving this harsh rock behind, we approach Venus, brighter, larger, and wrapped in thick clouds. Venus looks calm from space, but it's one of the most hostile places we know. A dense carbon dioxide atmosphere drives a runaway greenhouse effect, pushing surface temperatures high enough to melt lead, with pressure strong enough to crush. Bright cloud layers reflect sunlight, but they also hide an extreme world below. Then comes Earth, blue oceans, swirling white clouds, and a thin atmosphere that regulates temperature and shields life. Earth stands out instantly. Deep oceans, moving cloud systems, and a protective atmosphere that balances climate and makes liquid water stable on the surface. Even a close view reveals its signature blues and whites, the visual fingerprint of a living planet. Now we shift to Mars, the red world of iron dust, towering volcanoes, and immense canyons. Its landscapes preserve clues that water once flowed here, making it our most compelling target beyond Earth. Mars today is cold and thin-aired, but its terrain tells a richer story. Ancient river valleys, layered sediments, and polar ice hint at a wetter past. The planet still captures our imagination as a future destination, where robots search for chemistry linked to water and habitability. From this rocky frontier, we travel to a giant, Jupiter. Its banded clouds race around the planet, and the Great Red Spot, an enormous storm, has persisted for centuries, dominating the scene. Jupiter is the solar system's heavyweight, a massive gas giant with powerful storms, intense radiation, and a huge family of moons. Its gravity shapes the architecture of nearby space, influencing countless objects that pass through the inner system. Then we meet Saturn, the most recognizable planet of all. Its rings are made of countless particles of ice and rock, forming a thin, bright disk with gaps and shadows. Saturn's rings are a masterpiece of motion and gravity, fine structure, dark gaps, and subtle shadows that change as the viewing angle shifts. Many of its moons are worlds in their own right, with Titan standing out as a complex, hazy giant. Now we push farther out to Uranus, an ice giant with a pale blue-green tone caused by methane in its atmosphere. Uranus is famous for its extreme tilt. It spins almost on its side, creating long, dramatic seasons unlike anything on Earth. Uranus can look quiet, but its chemistry and dynamics make it deeply unusual. As an ice giant, much of its interior is made of volatile ices like water, ammonia, and methane under enormous pressure. Its sideways rotation reshapes sunlight patterns for decades at a time. Beyond it lies Neptune, darker blue, colder, and surprisingly energetic. Neptune drives some of the fastest winds in the solar system, with storms that appear
evolve, and fade. The farther we go, the more extreme the physics becomes.
Neptune marks the edge of the major planets, distant, deep blue, and powered by fierce atmospheric energy far from the sun's warmth. Its storms and high-speed winds remind us that motion and heat can persist even in the cold outer dark. Now we race back inward across the solar system toward the growing glow ahead. Light intensifies, shadows sharpen, and the sun fills the frame again, the star that powers every orbit, drives every climate, and restarts the journey in a perfect loop.